Assalamu alaikum friends. We are with got into dining with the new recipe, a chili. Chili is a very delicious recipe. You can make it as a vegetarian, as a meat, chicken, whatever you like. Here I'm making a vegetarian chili. So first I saute the onion with the garlic, and then I added some kidney beans and some black beans, and after that I have some herbs, a lot of herbs. We're gonna add cumin powder, red pepper, salt, and oregano, a lot of oregano. That smells so good. It's very easy recipe and it's very healthy. You can use it as a side dish or as a soup. So then I'm gonna add any kind of vegetables you have in the home. I have some bell peppers and zucchini, so I decided to add them, and we're just gonna saute them a little bit for 2 minutes, and then we adding the butternut and pumpkin. We cut it into cubes. These squash are so healthy for the skin, for your immune system. Is very good, and that's it. And we're gonna mix them, and in the end we're gonna add some sauce. So today I have yes, I'm adding some chili, hot pepper. If you like it you can add, if not you can skip it. And then in the end I'm adding a tomato sauce. I didn't make tomatoes because I didn't have the fresh tomatoes, so I decided to use this traditional tomato sauce, and I added one bottle same size water. And in the end when my chili is ready, I just throw some kale, fresh leaves on it, and here is my chili is ready. You can't imagine how tasty is it and how healthy it is. It's a low calorie and it's a very nutritionist. Thank you for watching. I hope you like my recipe, and don't forget to subscribe and like my channel. Thank you.